in French from 1 to 20. So let's begin. My brother is going to tell in English 1 to 20 and I am going to tell it in French. So let's start. 1, two, the, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, sand, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whoa. So guys, we are all with it and I'll see you the next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.